Hey guys, Spencer Kaufman here. Today I'm going to show you how to share your marketplace posts to multiple Facebook groups at the same time. So this is excellent because when you post something to marketplace, you want to get as much exposure for it as you can. And so being able to list it in multiple buy and sell trade groups at the same time is awesome. So we're going to start out on a mobile device to make the listing. So when you create the listing, you can initially post it to 10 groups, and then we're going to need to jump over to a desktop to get into multiple groups. So here we go. We're just going to hit create listing and list an item. I've got a little golf bag here that we'll select, add the pictures, and then I've got a description, copy paste here that I did ahead of time. Now we'll fill out the other information, the title here. Bridgestone. We'll get a leather golf bag. Oh, there we go. Okay. Price 15. And then sporting goods. All right, now what's this? Okay, now we got to do condition. And then the brand here, Bridgestone. Here we go, Bridge. There we go, stone. Okay. We got that. And then a tag. I'm just going to throw golf in here. Done. Let's get on to the next thing. Just quick. What is this? Shipping. No, we don't want this. Just do local pickup only. Next. And now here we are. So here it says we can list it in up to 10 groups. So we are going to go ahead and do this. It's in Marketplace. We'll select these groups here. So we've got, tells us at the bottom how many we're doing. Select all the relevant groups to get to 10. And here we go. Then hit publish, and you can see it's publishing. So at this point in time, we need to jump over to the desktop computer to share it to even more groups at the same time. Okay, so here we are on the laptop now. So we're on a desktop, and here we are able to list it to more than 10 places. Now, it's really simple. So we're going to hit this button here, list in more places, and then a pop-up is going to happen with all of the relevant sales groups. So we can now check these boxes to post it in multiple groups at the same time. And we can just keep going. So we'll hit as many relevant buy-sell trade groups as we can. Now here you can do more than 10. You can do 10 at a time though. So if you have more than 10 in here, it'll stop you. But you can keep clicking until it tells you that there are too many. So we'll just keep going right there. You've reached the maximum number of groups you can post to at once, but we could still do it more. So we're going to hit post. And there we go. We've been posted in 20 more groups. So on mobile, you can post it in 10. And on the desktop, you can post it in even more groups at the same time. So this is how you can use Facebook to get more exposure for your marketplace listings. You can list it on the mobile, put it in 10 groups right away, and then later on get on your laptop or your desktop and post it in more places and promote that posting to many more groups all at once. So I really hope this will help you start selling your stuff and get more exposure in Marketplace. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. I hope that you'll subscribe to the channel as well for more great videos, and also share this video with your friends and family so that they can have more success selling their items on Marketplace as well. Until next time.